Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is June the 2nd, 2025, coming to you from international, global, galactic headquarters. And the reason I'm doing this video, I'm not much of a gardener. In fact, I have an innate ability to kill plants and flowers. I don't do good with flowers. We plant them and I forget to water them, but the vegetation here is so cool that, I don't know, it just makes me feel good being around these trees and the flowers and the bees and the insects, if you know what I mean. But the lush vegetation here is amazing, and I'm sure that there's probably poison ivy and all that other stuff, but man, if I lived here, maybe I'd be a gardener. Love y'all. Bye-bye.